Brigade Commander साहब, any flag
जम्मू कश्मीर की करना घाटी में एलओसी पर स्थित सीमावर्ती गांव सिमरी को अब पूरी तरह से बिजली और रसोई गैस की सुविधा मिल गई है। भारतीय सेना की वज्र डिवीजन और असीम फाउंडेशन द्वारा चिनार कोर के सहयोग से ये कार्य किया गया है। इस गांव का आधा हिस्सा पाकिस्तान अधिकृत कश्मीर में है और ये भारत का मतदान केंद्र संख्या 1 भी है। इस परियोजना के तहत 53 घरों में सोलर माइक्रोग्रिड और एलपीजी कुकिंग किट्स वितरित की गई। ये पहल शहीद कर्नल संतोष महाडिक शौर्य चक्र सेना मेडल की स्मृति को समर्पित है। 14 अप्रैल को कर्नल की मां कलिंदी महाडिक और असीम फाउंडेशन के संस्थापक सारंग गोसावी ने इसका उद्घाटन किया। इस अवसर पर 300 से अधिक ग्रामीण उपस्थित रहे और पूरे कार्यक्रम में देशभक्ति और एकता की भावना देखने को मिली। ये परियोजना भारत सरकार की वाइब्रेंट विलेजेस प्रोग्राम की भावना को साकार करती है और ये दर्शाती है कि भारतीय सेना सीमावर्ती क्षेत्रों के विकास में भी अग्रणी भूमिका निभा रही है।
With respect to the Kashmir frontier, Indian Army is not that it has started off now. Decades ago, it has already started this Sadhana project, and also civil military cooperation, and also looking after our own citizen in the forward areas. It is our duty. It is our moral responsibility of each and every one citizen that we should look after each other so that the country is looked after. It is a voluntary organization. We are here to serve for the country, and nobody has called us to come voluntarily for the same. So it is our moral responsibility that whatever we have signed for, we are supposed to do it. And as I said, as a citizen, each and every one of us must do his best to look after and for the safeguard of the country and nation building. About the local population, yes, they are far-flung areas. Similarly, I can draw parallel to the depth of India, but there are a lot of villages which are there which are far-flung. However, the only challenge here is the proximity to the border and the possibility of illegal element exploiting it. So they are trying their best, but I must say and I must thank the local populace and also Indian Army that we are hand in hand in consultation with our local administration. We are doing our best to look after the safeguard of the country and security of the country. Locals, I would say, they are very simple. Even if there are hardships, they convey less and they do more in terms of their actions. I will take you back to some few decades. All the three major wars we have won, convincingly won. We in sync with local populace. They have stood beside us, and we hope they will be continuing with the same, and we will be safeguarding our country. And the mandate that is given to us, that is safeguard the LC. No cross LC operations will be given any time of or any chance to the enemy. That is our promise, and whatever efforts that they may try, that will go in vain. That I can assure you.
Schools play a critical role in molding a child into a responsible and progressive global citizen. A good education empowers a child with infinite opportunities to discover and innovate. Over the past few decades, of all the innovations that have taken place all across the world, how many can India lay claim to? Perhaps not many. Rather than being pushed to master existing texts, students must be encouraged to learn, unlearn, and critically evaluate everything they observe through the formative years of their education. Shri Educare was formed out of a commitment to expand SEL's reach of providing quality Indian education. It is essentially engaged in setting up schools from preschool to K-12 at both national and international levels.
जम्मू कश्मीर की खबरों के लिए जुड़े रहिए GK अपडेट के साथ।